What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Mashimaro. So today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different for you guys. I want to give you guys a quick rundown of both E92s. Before we get to that, I'm dropping something a little bit special today. We've got a pair of seat belts. You can get them in fronts and rears, or just rears if you really want them. But they'll be coming in different colors. I'm going to put this in the M3. As far as the seatbelts go, I'm not going to make a tutorial DIY taking out the belts and everything. So I'm going to put a link below for you guys. So if you guys want to do a DIY and figure it out on how to remove it and install it, I'll put that link below for you guys, the exact same one that I used. And then I will also put the link for the seatbelts below. You can get them, like I said, in the front. You can get them in the rear. You can get them in both. Core exchange is going to be something that will be very beneficial for you guys because no one's going to want to drive without a seatbelt. So I will send you the belts first, and then you can send me your old belts after for a partial refund as a core deposit that you paid already. So colors will be available pretty much any array you want: red, blue, yellow. I've got a lime green, I've got a crazy purple going out, the M tri-stitching, so on and so forth. So I'll put that link below for you guys if you guys want to go ahead and get on that as well. In the beginning, it will be a little bit of a backup because I'm trying to figure out the core exchange process, so I'm only going to have probably a limited amount available, or you can send me your belts first if you choose to do that. If it's not your daily driver, that's fine. I've already got a set in there. Let me show you real quick. So this is how they turn out. Installed. It's OEM belts, nothing different. All we're doing is changing the webbing itself. So this is just going to be the front pair. We've got the M tri-stitching here. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other side real quick. I'm not going to do an install video for this one. I mainly don't want to do an install video just because I want to give you guys more content. I want to give you guys less DIY, less installing, just because I know a lot of people just want to see the good stuff. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to go ahead and just show you all the mods, everything that I have here, and we'll just get to the nitty-gritty. Alright, so the reason for this major milestone video is because it's been about a year since I've officially been active on YouTube and also have really pushed Mashimaro as an online store. So I want to make this video. Gonna keep it short and sweet, as you've already heard. I want to just go ahead and share with you the mods and do a complete rundown on everything that I've done to my car, or to the best of my knowledge. So we're gonna start with the 3 Series because that's the first one, and then we'll move on to the M3. So first of all, this car holds a very special place in my heart. I've had this thing for, man, I took delivery brand new August of 2011, and so this has about 50,000 miles, pretty low miles. It's a 2012 BMW 335i X-Drive, 6-speed manual transmission, came with M Sport package, fully loaded, all that kind of stuff. Original color, space gray. So I'll kind of work front to back. As far as the front end goes, cosmetically, we've got stock hood. So this is an OEM hood, same hood that comes from factory. We've got APR front vents. These are going to be helping just to cool the car down. Yes, they are functional. They're not just... I'll show you under the hood in a bit. We've got the F-Series kidney grills, scoops, my scoops. We've got the Street Fighter LA Aggressive E92 LCI M Sport front lip. This one's currently just gloss black. They have carbon fiber version coming, so that's going to be up soon. We've got the CSF race intercooler. We've got my canards. These headlights are the 3/4 DTM. So as far as all the rings go, I kind of told you guys before on Instagram, I'm working to be an authorized dealer to sell these rings, as well as the the normal ones. We'll talk about that later. But these were done by Mod Emporium, so they've got the complete blackout with the black eyelids, the 3/4 DTM headlight. So DTM is this with the flat bottom, and then obviously black bezel and shrouds. Nothing else. Toe strap. The wrap is I think it's Avery Dark Gloss Gray, I think is what it's called. So it's a Nardo color. It matches pretty much very, very, very perfect. TE37s, not the SLs. 18 by 9.5 20 offset, 18 by 10.5, 22 offset. Tires are 235/40, 265/35. Got the M3 style fenders, the badge. This is painted black. We got the V3 side skirts with the fin, made for the M3 style side skirts. As you can see, it follows all the way through. That's wrapped black, or painted black, I'm sorry. The roof is carbon. It's not genuine carbon, it's vinyl made by, I think, called Vivid. It's like 5D is what they call it. This is painted black. This is all OEM with the M Sport. The suspension is airlift. V2 management. This is not the 3P or 3H, so this is just the V2 management. I'll show you the setup in a bit. And then we've got, as far as mods go under the hood, let me show you that real quick. So you can see the vents. It's pretty dirty. I haven't really opened it in a while, let alone drive it. But anyways, everything's stock. Couple cosmetics, but everything's stock. I took everything out, even the intake. The only thing that's left that you don't see is the downpipe. So it has the downpipes. That's catless by Berger Motorsports, and the charge pipe. So I got Evolution Racework charge pipe. So not much to see there. As far as the tune goes, we have the MHD. It does have the X-Delete, so it is all-wheel drive, as I said, so it's currently running rear-wheel drive. And then moving to the side, got the APR GTC 1300 spoiler, fully carbon fiber, performance style spoiler. We've got these are OEM LCI taillights because it's an LCI. V2 fins, quad diffuser, carbon fiber quad tips. We've got not much of a trunk setup, I don't believe. Yeah, so we've got just my tank, and then my compressor and management system down there. I'm sorry, not my compressor. The management system's down there. My compressor's in front of that. Moving on inward. Got the red gauge overlay, the steering wheel, which is Alcantara, and the perforated leather with the green stripe. Pedals. We've got the OEM F80 style shift knob, performance knob. Same with the e-brake. I've got a custom Valentine 1 radar that's hardwired. I've got just paint splatter trim. Has iDrive. These are pretty popular. These are coming soon. So door straps. These are the RS Porsche style. Kind of like you can call it F1 style or whatever, but I don't have the handles, so I've got the straps, which is pretty cool. Studio RSR roll cage, a little fire extinguisher. You can see the compressor, Vire, just single, and of course small details like the Alcantara Euro sun visor, which has, as you can see, no label, no warning label at all. And of course we've got our sunglass holder, which will hold my Oakleys, so that's a huge must for me just because there is no sunglass holder. And moving forward, the only thing that's not currently on the car, which is my Alcantara M3 split armrest, which will replace that. So obviously start button, M button, not really much else here. I don't know if I'm missing anything. A lot of people have been asking about the front air ducts. That's an IS air duct. It's not a 335 IS, but I did obtain it from a 335 IS. As far as that goes, I think that's 99% of it. I can probably say there's more that I don't remember, but kind of gives you an idea just to see what that is. Now let's move on to the M3. we'll kind of do the same thing. So the M3, this is all stock, honestly. This is Santorini blue. It's paint. It's not vinyl. This is paint. Santorini blue. It's a 2008 M3 DCT transmission. Pretty much, I'm going to almost say fully loaded as well. We've got the GT4 front lip, canard, GT4 canard, that is, toe strap, the sing grills, and the scoops. Everything else on the front end is pretty stock. So I did talk about these. These are the V2 rings. These were done by OSS originally. Same thing, blackouts, LCI style turns, and the V2 rings, black bezel and everything. So these are black. You notice that they've got forged stars, front and rear, 19 by 9.5, plus 22, 19 by 9, 19 by 11 plus 25. Also wrapped in it Toyo tires. I've got the stud conversion done, Mach Chanel stud conversion, I think on both of them. This one's got the Project Kicks R40 Neochrome lug nuts. This one's got a little bit different style, same one. Currently on stock brakes. It's got the upgraded Hawk pads and stuff. This one also has stock brakes, rotors that is, I'm sorry, caliper, has upgraded slotted rotors. I did have stop techs on this. This car did also have stop techs on that, but currently not at this time, so we'll be exploring some other options possibly in the future. And these have the V2 side skirts, so flat and pretty, almost I would say universal. They are sitting on KW V3 coilovers, so as far as ride height goes, it's pretty good, pretty aggressive, enough to not rub and all that kind of stuff. Side rear fins, my V2 spoiler, you can see that there. Black badge. This is just wrap. I bought it like that, unfortunately. Currently stock exhaust, almost like a hybrid. You can't even see it, but new one's coming in. I've got a diffuser sitting. I should have probably installed it today, but I'll do it some other time. And then moving inward, we've got the OEM BMW Performance steering wheel, so it has the lights. We've got the paddle shifters, belay style for the M3. We've got yellow buttons, courtesy of IND. We've got aluminum pedals, black knob. Everything's originally this white color. I don't know what it is. People are calling it individual, which is probably what it was, so I still don't feel bad. I don't like it, so go ahead and hate on me all you want, but they're fox red now. I'm finishing up the rear seats. I'm going to do the sides and all that kind of stuff. It's got the navigation, like I said, pretty fully loaded, carbon roof. Currently no rear seats. I'm working in the rear. Both cars have a lot of coating done. You probably saw my video. I did coating on that one. This one's been coated previously several times. This one's going to get a tune and an exhaust soon. This one has a MHD tune, and it has the BMW PE style exhaust. A new exhaust coming for both. Diffuser tune for that one. Other than that, these are pretty much done. I'm going to just kind of do a couple things. You guys have pretty much been getting my hint before, but I've been looking at some new platforms. They look great, don't get me wrong. I actually love, this looks aggressive. This is a great car to drive. I would daily this car, honestly. So, but that kind of gives you a rundown. Hopefully that kind of gives you an idea as far as what I've been running, the mods and all that kind of stuff. You can see here, no reflectors. This one's been painted. Small subtle things. I can talk about tint and all that stuff, but I don't really want to get into those details. I just want to kind of give you the mods and the actual big substances, so hopefully that gives you an idea. But yeah, like I said, huge milestone. I'm very proud to make it this far, and I appreciate all the support. If you guys liked what you see, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to make some new videos. I'm trying to do it every week. It's hard running this company as well as doing YouTube and doing everything all by yourself. So give me some love, give me some support. Comment below if you have any questions. I look forward to see you guys on the next one. Peace.